Toilet paper. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. So you're going to make a T and then shake back and forth. It's like bathroom, bathroom, or toilet, paper. You're going to have your hands in closed five, your dominant hand on top, and swipe towards your body twice. Now for the sign for toilet paper, you may see toilet paper done and then with the paper once or twice. The sign for paper is twice, so you could see paper twice with toilet paper or toilet paper once. Either way should be fine and accepted in different regions. Toilet paper. You may also see people sign TP. In the right context, TP, you should know that that is toilet paper. Again, toilet paper, or you might even see TP. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.